too slow. Everybody turn their back on me, but I stay taller. Power money got so big, yeah, cause yours got smaller. I was pushing wide by the colors, you in parlor. And I keep a couple baby bottles like a toddler. I'ma trim my set the fuck out, I don't need no stylist. Bitches on that white on Miley Cyrus. I told them I was never home. Yeah, I'm too hard-headed, can't admit when something's gone wrong. Killing me alone. I just caught a plane from East LA to out in Soho. Wake up and I'm nodding up the burg, I live it slow.
What's good, y'all? It is the first vlog for the new YouTube channel. I got shit moving around. Agenda for today is we are going to Apple Valley Speedway. Super D was this weekend competition, and the main event was yesterday, which I didn't go to. I had to handle some stuff for the brand. So that took majority of my day. I was printing and all types of shit. Oh shit. I got the Tesla off-roading right now. Yeah, man, we're here late as fuck. Shit. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not gonna be vlogging too much because I am kind of late. Damn, that bitch is dumb. Shooting with the R5C, got my Sony VX2100, and then this shit right here. Event ended at 5. Somebody went off the track at 4:55. I think that's it, man. So.
Bitch, I ball like better room. Stupid bitch, what you stupid bitch, what you saying? You on my dick, what the fuck? All that stocking shit, that shit be lame as fuck. Just get the fuck. And that 9 to 5 regular shit, that shit won't get you fucked up. Put that 100 cap on your fucking head and get you up. And we do with our hoes the worst. And we put niggas on them shirts. And I be looking at these houses talking shit like who the worst. House to buy me on the internet, little bitch, let's be for real. You know you broke as fuck, can't even compete with me, let's be real.